So this is my presentation on major and career plans. For my future job, I want to be a school counselor, and a school counselor provides help in academic, emotional, and social developments and can give career options. My responsibilities would be to give advice and help people with their problems either in school or in their home, and to provide a friendly, loving environment where people can open up and really talk. The required education for a school counselor is most people begin with bachelor degrees, and after being hired, they would be required to get their master's degree. This relates to my 4-year plan because I will graduate in 4 years with my bachelor's degree, and I plan on getting my master's after that. Why psychology? I am very interested in psychology, and I will be prepared for my job with a bachelor's degree and eventually a master's degree. I would like to learn how the human brain works and develops. My reasons are like to those in chapter 13. They are either the same or very close. I feel my reasons are higher up on the list of reasons to be a psychology major.